Hello everyone, this is my homework. The first is A. Make mistakes. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Don't be afraid of making mistakes. Đừng sợ mắc lỗi. Next, the sound is A. Time. This. Roar. Foot. Time. It. Vietnam. This. Draw. First time in Vietnam. This your first time in Vietnam. Đây có phải lần đầu tiên bạn đến Việt Nam không? This your first time in Vietnam. Next, the sound is R-E. Enjoyed. I really enjoyed. Talking to you. I really enjoyed talking to you. Tôi thật sự rất vui khi được nói chuyện với bạn. I really enjoyed talking to you. Next, up. Hope. I hope. Do. See. You. Again. I hope to see you again. Tôi hy vọng sẽ được gặp lại bạn lần sau. I hope to see you again. The last is out. Outstanding. Roar. Outstanding. Teacher. You're an outstanding teacher. Bạn là một giáo viên thật tuyệt vời. You're an outstanding teacher. You're an outstanding teacher. Bạn là một giáo viên thật tuyệt vời. Thanks for listening.